Today, let's go together and discover numbers in Spanish. Get comfortable, open your eyes wide, and count with me. Here is the number 1. In Spanish, we say
Uno,
How many trees are there? Count with me.
uno,
Here is the number 2. In Spanish, we say
dos,
How many fish are there? Count with me.
uno, dos,
Here is the number 3. In Spanish, we say
tres,
How many flowers are there? Count with me.
uno, dos, tres,
Here is the number 4. In Spanish, we say
cuatro,
How many butterflies are there? Count with me.
uno, dos, tres, cuatro,
Here is the number 5. In Spanish, we say
cinco,
How many ducks are there? Count with me.
uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco,
Here is the number 6. In Spanish, we say
seis,
How many birds are there? Count with me.
uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis,
Here is the number 7. In Spanish, we say
siete,
How many fruits are there? Count with me.
uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete,
Here is the number 8. In Spanish, we say
ocho,
How many stars are there? Count with me.
uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho,
Here is the number 9. In Spanish, we say
nueve,
How many balloons are there? Count with me.
uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve.
Well done! You can now count in Spanish from uno to nueve. You can watch this video again whenever you want to practice and learn even better. And if you want to keep learning while having fun, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and watch the next videos. See you soon!